Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do dropshipping with Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the inventory icon right here. Next, in this new tab, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above, then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In this new tab containing your settings, scroll down to the Logistics section and click on the checkbox next to Dropshipping to enable it. Then click on Save from the top left corner. Next, click on Products from the navigation menu above, then click on Products again from the drop-down menu. In this new page containing your products, click on an existing product you want to use, or you may also choose to click on New from the top left corner if you want to add a new product. In this new page containing your product, set up the general information like the product sales, sales price, purchase taxes, and more. Next, in this Inventory tab, click on the checkbox next to Dropship found in this Routes section. Next, in this Purchase tab, add your preferred vendor. After that, click on Save, which is usually a small cloud icon found next to this gear icon at the top left corner, so you can save your changes. Next, go back to your dashboard and click on the Sales option right here. In this new page, you have to create a new quotation, add your newly customized product, then click on Confirm here at the top left. Then Odoo will create a dropship order for you. And that is how you can do dropshipping with Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.